In this video, we're going to go through how to install Office 365 Pro Plus. So from your default browser, we'll go to www.office.com. And if prompted, please sign in with your LearnLink account. From there, on the landing page, we've got a button that says Install Office. If you click down onto it, you'll have the ability to download and install Office 365 apps. From there, it'll download the installation file and you'll be able to install it. Please note, if using a school device, you may need to chat to your school tech first. However, if installing from home, you'll have no issues. It's worth pointing out as well that you can only install this onto a curriculum device. Unfortunately, at this stage, we can't install Office 365 Pro Plus on an admin machine.